Hello viewers, I'm Quotes on Demand. I explore the minds of famous personalities by reading their books and sharing impactful quotes. Subscribe me as we delve into the wisdom that has shaped some of the world's most influential figures.
It suddenly struck me that tiny pea, pretty and blue, was the earth. I put up my thumb and shut one eye, and my thumb blotted out the planet Earth. I didn't feel like a giant. I felt very, very small. It's a brilliant surface in that sunlight. The horizon seems quite close to you because the curvature so much more pronounced than here on Earth. It's an interesting place to be. I recommend it. I think we're going to the moon because it's in the nature of the human being to face challenges. It's by the nature of his deep inner soul. We're required to do these things just as salmon swim upstream. We had hundreds of thousands of people, all dedicated to doing the perfect job, and I think they did about as well as anyone could ever have expected. The important achievement of Apollo was demonstrating that humanity is not forever chained to this planet, and our visions go rather further than that, and our opportunities are unlimited. No matter when you had been to this spot before, 1,000 years ago or 100,000 years ago, or if you came back to it 1,000,000 years from now, you would see some different things each time, but the scene would be generally the same. Society's future will depend on a continuous improvement program for the human character, and what will that future bring? I do not know, but it will be exciting. I am and ever will be a White Sox pocket protector, nerdy engineer born under the second law of thermodynamics, steeped in steam tables, in love with free body diagrams, transformed by Laplace and propelled by compressible flow. We have no proof, but if we extrapolate, based on the best information we have available to us, we have to come to the conclusion that other life probably exists out there, and perhaps in many places. Every flying machine has its own unique characteristics. Some good, some not so good. Pilots naturally fly the craft in such a manner as to take advantage of its good characteristics and avoid the areas where it is not so good. The landing approach was, by far, the most difficult and challenging part of the flight. Walking on the lunar surface was very interesting, but it was something we looked on as reasonably safe and predictable, so the feeling of elation accompanied the landing rather than the walking. I flew to the moon not so much to go there, but as part of developing the system that would allow it to happen.
Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.